This AI tool is the best AI tool I've seen in a long time. With this AI tool, you can completely generate stunning, realistic videos for your products with a single image of that product. And not only that, you can actually generate images and videos right here on the platform. And their image generator is the best image generator, one of the best image generators in the industry right now. You can compare it with things like Sora, Dream Machine, Runway ML, Picard's latest version, Kling AI, and Hilo AI, because the images and the videos that come out from this platform is absolutely insane. Once you're on the homepage, you want to click on product avatars. That's what we'll be testing today, amongst other things. So when you click on product avatar, you're going to see a lot of avatars or example generations that they've done, and then you can just select your avatar. So I'm just going to select this because it's a good fit for the product I want to use. Now you have to select an image or an avatar that is holding something close to the image you want to use, or you want to the product image you want to the avatar to talk about. So I'm using this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant. So I'm just going to resize it on the hands of the model to make it a perfect fit. It doesn't have to be exactly the same way that they did it here, but because the platform is an amazing platform and it could just generate you, even if you make a mistake, it will still generate something really good. So once you're done, just click on continue. And then it will generate three images for you to select from. You can see the images he generated are absolutely stunning, regardless of the way I placed it. You can see he gave me three different images with three different sizes for the products, so you can get a better choice. So once I'm done, I select one, I'm just going to click on continue. I'm just going to click on image to video. And wait for it to load. Once it's done, I'll play it.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
This is insane. This is absolutely insane. If you don't think this is insane, then you're probably from the future. Now, for you to get the exact message that you want the avatar to say in the video, you just come here and type in what you want the avatar to say in this text prompt here, and you click on your avatar and then choose from the numerous voices they have here. You can select any voice you want, and you can clone your own voice, but I'm just going to stick with the default voice that comes with the avatar, and I'm going to rename it, and I'm just going to click on continue. Export. I'm just going to click on export.
This Vaseline Cocoa Radiant is really good on dark skin. I'm not saying it will definitely work for every skin type, but I'm sure you will love it.
That's an insane generation in just a few seconds. So I'm just going to test out their other features. So let's just get rolling.
Once you're logged into the platform, you'll see the list of amazing tools available on the platform. We'll be covering the Product Avatar and Product AnyShoot, as these features are the next level in the world of AI. First, click on Product Avatar. There are a wide range of models to choose from with a variety of handheld products to fit your every product need. Select whichever model best suits the kind of product you have, then import an image of your product by clicking Replace with my product image. Don't worry, this platform has an amazing background remover to erase the background of any product you upload automatically. Once the product is loaded, adjust the product in the hand of the model of your choosing to a proper fit. Once you're done, click on Confirm Product Position. The platform will generate 3 images for you to select from. Most of the time, all the images come out perfect, so you can select anyone by clicking on it and then clicking Image to Video Avatar. It will generate a sample video with your product image in hand.
I am Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview product avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
After watching the video, all you have to do now is click on Use My Script. You'll come to this page where you can type in the exact prompt script. That is, what you want the avatar to say about your product. You can also upload your own voiceover or select from the many available AI voices on the platform. Once you're done, select your avatar and then click Generate. Rename your video and click Export. It will take a few minutes to generate once it's done. Click on Preview to see your video and download it.
Hi, this is the best tasting drink in the market, and I just love the taste of Coke.
This is just unbelievable.
Hi, this is the best tasting drink in the market, and I just love the taste of Coke.
This is literally making me scared of what AI can do. We'll be trying out another product, but first let's try out another amazing feature of this platform, and that's their product AnyShoot. Click on Product AnyShoot. To get started, I'm just going to download these sci-fi glasses from Google. Then I'll upload it to the product section, and then also upload an image of who or where I want the product to be. Once they're uploaded, I'll resize my brush and paint over the area I want my product image to be, exactly how I want it. Once done, click on Generate and wait for the image to generate. Amazing. If you're okay with the image, then click on Image to Video. As you can see, it gave me a really good prompt and I don't have to change anything. But you can if you want to. You can also change the adherence slider from creativity to relevance and also some other features like mode and duration. Once you're satisfied, click on Image to Video. It is that simple. This is the generation. This is literally unbelievable. From a single image. Look at the gestures. This is just insane. You can try this platform out now with the first link in the description. Now let's try another product image. I'll go back to Product Avatar and select a male model this time. Upload my product image, and then resize it to fit the hand of the model like we did in the first example. Once you're done, click on Confirm Product Position and wait for the 3 images to load. Select your preferred image and then click Image to Video Avatar.
I'm Topview Product Avatar.
After the generation is complete, click on Use My Script. Input your script, select your voice, and then click on Generate. Rename your video and then export.
This orange juice is the best tasting orange juice on the market.
This is just mind-blowing.
This orange juice is the best tasting orange juice on the market.
Crazy times. Use the first link in the description to try it out now. You'll be glad you did.